Silas Maths.
The best place to learn mathematics.
Hello friend, welcome back to class. Alright, today we're going to look at indicial equations. Indicial equation, we've had a class before on that, so let's take a look at these problems. We have the number one question, which reads, if this 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 3 minus 8 minus 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2 equal to what? 0. Find the value of what? X. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell, and follow us on Facebook at Silas Maths. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and delve into this. To solve this problem, we can express this. So we have 3 to the power of x minus 8 minus, this is a reciprocal, right? So this can become 3 to the power of what? Negative into bracket x minus 2 equal to 0. So you recall the law. The law we applied here is simply this, that 1 over a to the power of x is something as a to the power of negative what? X. Yes. So that's what we've done here. So solving further, we can say that this is the same thing as 3 to the power of what? 3x minus 8. Then this man can cross over to the other side of the equation because this is an indicial equation. So taking negative 3 to the power of this to the other side, it becomes positive. So I'm going to have 3 to the power of negative into bracket x minus 2. Now you see what I did here? I put everything here in brackets, all the power here, because it's an algebraic term. So this minus is going to affect everything in the bracket. So you don't make the mistake of expressing this thing and then forgetting to put every expression here in bracket. Okay. So going further, we can open this bracket. So we have 3 to the power of 3x minus 8 equal to 3. Opening that bracket, I'm going to have minus x, minus will give me plus 2. So what do we do next? We equate what? We equate the powers. Equate the powers. At this point, recall that when their bases are the same, we equate their powers for indicial equation. So this becomes 3x minus 8 equal to minus what? X plus 2. So what do we do next? Collect like terms. Collecting like terms, we have, okay, collect like terms. So this is a simple linear equation. So collecting like terms, we have 3x, negative x crossing over and this equality sign, equal to sign, it becomes what? Positive. So we have plus x. So equal to, I have 2 here already. When negative 8 crosses over, it becomes what? Positive what? 8. All right. So solving further, we are going to have 4x equal to what? 10. 4x equal to what? 10. So that is to say, for us to get the value of x, we divide both sides by coefficient of what? X. So we'll say 4x over 4 all over 10 over what? 4. This cancel out this, x gives us, reduce this to the simplest form, we are going to have 5 over what? 2, or we say it is 2 whole number 1 over 2 in a mixed fraction. So that is for number 1. Okay, you can check it out and do the needful. To help you understand more, you can as well copy it down. Give the video a pause and copy it down so you have time to go through it again, alright, for better learning. So let's go over to the next one. Number 2, we have this that says we should solve for x. For this, 2x plus 1 plus 5 to the power of 2x equal to 150. So let's go ahead and simplify further. Simplifying further, I can express this 5 to the power of 2x in this form by saying that this is something as 5 to the power of 2x times 5 to the power of 1. Yes, because multiplication law, when the bases are the same, we add their power. So I can as well express this thing from this form to this form. So that will give me this raised to the power what? 2x equal to 150. Now we also solving further, we can as well say that we have something that is common to these two expressions, and that is 5 to the power of what? 5 to the power of 2x. So factoring out 5 to the power of 2x here, I'm going to have 5 to the power of what? Okay, let's put it like this. 5 to the power of 2x is common here, so I can factor it out. So I have 5 to the power of 2x. Put everything in brackets. If I remove 5 to the power of 2x here, what will remain is 5 to the power of what? 1. Plus, if I remove 5 to the power of 2x here, what will remain here is what? 1. Equal to what? 150. So you can see that this times this will give us this times this. This 1 times 1 will also give us this. So we just factor that to what? 5 to the power of what? 2x. So solving further, we can say that 5 to the power of 1 plus 1 is going to give us 6, right? Yes. So that will give me 5 to the power of what? 2x into bracket 6 equal to 150. Okay, 150. So to solve further, what do we do at this point? So we're going to have 5 to the power of 2x. So dividing both sides by coefficient of 5 to the power of 2x, so this will give us 150 divided by 6. So 6 in, let's divide, 6 in 15 is going to give us 2, remainder 3, then 6 in 30 is going to give us 5. So this is 25. Okay, so solving further, we can express 25 as a multiple of 5. So I have 5 to the power of 2x equal to what? 5 to the power of 2. So equating their powers here, equating their powers, or equate the powers. So we are going to have 2x equal to what? 2, which means that 2x divided by 2 equal to 2 divided by 2. So x equal to what? 1. Yes. So that is the answer to the second one. So let's quickly jump into the last one, which says we should simplify 10 times 5 to the power of 2y minus 2 times 4 to the power of y minus 1 equal to 1. So what do we do? Take a close look at this problem. We can actually express this 10 in form of 2 times 5. Okay, so that will give us this. That will give us 10. 10 will become what? 2 times 5 times 5 to the power of what? 2y minus 2. Then I can as well express 4 in form of 2 to the power of 2. So that will give me times 2 to the power of 2 or to the power of what? Y minus 1 equal to 1. Yes. So simplifying further, we can say that this becomes, I have the ones that have the base of what? 2 and 5 here. I have base of 2 and 5. This is base of 5. This is base of 2. So collecting the like terms together, I'm going to have 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 2y minus 2 times, then I have 2 times, this is 2 to the power of 1 times, expressing this thing, I'm going to have 2 to the power of what? 2 into bracket y minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, so going further, we can say that when their bases are the same, we add their power. So this will give me 5 to the power of what? 2y minus 2 plus 1. Okay, times 2 to the power of what? 2. Opening this bracket, I'm going to have 2y minus 2. Then plus this power plus 1 equal to what? 1. Yes. Yes. So let's continue. We have this 5 to the power of what? 2y minus 2 plus 1 is going to give me minus 1 times 2 to the power of what? 2y minus 2 plus 1 also will give us minus 1 equal to what? 1. Now at this point, remember our aim is to find the value of what? Y. We can express this thing in this form by saying that this is something as 5 to the power of 2y divided by 5 to the power of 1, right? Yes, we can do that. So this will also give us times 2 to the power of 2y divided by 2 to the power of 1 equal to 1. Yes. So going further, we can then have this Okay, I would like to clean this part, so if you have not copied it down, pause the video and copy this part down. So let me clean this part. Alright, so solving that further, we are going to have 5 raised to the power of 2y times that one is going to give us, we're going to have 5 to the power of what, 2y times 2 raised to the power of 2y all over 5 raised to the power 1 times 2 raised to the power 1, okay, equal to 1 over 1. So cross multiplying here, we are going to have 1 times this times that, so we are going to have 5 to the power of 2y times 2 to the power of 2y equal to 5 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of 4 to 1. Alright, so if we take a look at this, we'll see that 2y rather is common to this side, right? So that means I can factor this out by saying that this is something as 5 times 2 all to the power of what? 2 to the power of what? Y equal to what? 5 times 2 all to the power of what? 1, right? Yeah, that is to say that 10 to the power of what? 2y is equal to what? 10 to the power of 1. So we can then equate their power. Equate the power, we have what? 2y equal to 1. Alright, so that means dividing both sides by coefficient of y, we say that y is equal to 1 over 2. Yep, that's the answer. So go through it step by step and observe this the steps that we took to arrive to the final answer. Alright, in our next class we are going to continue. So if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please try to subscribe. It's very, very important. And share the video as well. Thanks for joining me. See you in our next class. Bye for now.